Capricorn, Capricorn, Capricorn. So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Reading natin is for January 1 to 15. Yeah? Okay. Check natin Capricorn. January 1 to 15, what Capricorn needs to know. Fellow OFW, kamusta po? Sana ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan, masaya, malusog, at maraming abundance. Ayusin ko lang po yung microphone at naglolo ko. Okay, yeah? Okay, game na tayo. January 1 to 15. What Capricorn needs to know. Okay, tingnan natin yung storyboard ng Capricorn. So, shout out po kung makaresonate, kung hindi po sa susunod. Check natin. January 1 to 15. What Capricorn needs to know. New Year. So, kailangan natin ng more abundance, more blessing, more health. Yeah? Okay, ituloy natin ang laban sa 2026. January 1 to 15. What Capricorn needs to know. Bigyan natin ng magandang reading si Capricorn. One card lang. One card. Give me one card. Yes. Okay. So, are you dealing with Cancer? Yeah, Cancer. Sphinx, pupunta sa kanan, pupunta sa kaliwa. Yes? So, it's all about control. Self-control and also take control. Yeah? This is also expansion. Yes? Kung napanood niyo po yung reading ko sa new moon and full moon, i-check niyo po. Baka merong connection ito rito. So, continuation ito noong meron kayong ma-pick up na message. But, January 1 to 15, there's expansion coming. Ano yung minanifest mo? Wala nang pitchy-pitching, wala nang small time na na manifestation and intention. Todo-todo na for 2026. Maraming big shift. There's a big shift na mangyayari sa 2026. Yung energy is, todo-todo na yung mga karmic, yung mga kalokohan na nangyayari. So, lilitaw po yan, mabubunyag na. So, it's gonna be on your favor kapag lalo na you feel na nadihado ka or naagrabyado, you're gonna have that justice. So, yan ang big shift na mangyayari for 2026. So, it can cause also a lot of movement and also expansion. Kung ang itinanim mong intention and also yung ginawa mo for the previous year is all about good things and hard work. So, yun po yung tema. So, January 1 to 15. What Capricorn need to know? Hardworking people. So, makakamit natin yan. We just need to persevere. Oops, meron bang bumaliktad? I-check ko lang. Okay, wala. Okay, lilitaw yan. Okay, give me message. Capricorn, January 1 to 15. What Capricorn needs to know? Give me one card. Yes, okay. So, pera. Yeah. Okay. So, struktura ng buhay natin. Kailangan tayo magpursige if we want to aim that one. Health-wise, you will be healthy. No problem. I don't see any major issue here. Family-wise, okay, if that's what you are aiming for, go for it. You're gonna have that. Pwede ka nang mangutang sa bangko kung yun ang plano mo, ma-approve yan. And also, if you're looking for that job that offer na security, you're gonna have that one as well. So, because of this Cancer, the chariot sign here. So, if you're dealing with Cancer, so siguro yung magbibigay ng inspiration sa iyo to move forward. Life is not easy. Tama po ba? So, pero yung structure ng buhay mo and also your family, health, career, wealth, financial, it's pretty much on the spot. That's what the card and the universe is telling you. January 1 to 15, 1 to 15, as manifest at this period in time. Yeah, okay. So, we're dealing also with Pisces, walang clarity. Check on the full moon and the new moon reading. There might be some subliminal message. I can see here yung wolf again, okay? Black and white. Yes, contain that. This is about emotion, Capricorn. So if you're dealing with some emotional related problem or problem na very challenging na parang hinihila ka pa ilalim, Okay, yun ang message na naano ko rito. Minsan nalulunod tayo sa emosyon, madaming drama. Yes, tao lang po tayo, nadadala tayo niyan sa problema dito, problema samot-samot sa paligid. You know, ano lang tayo, normal lang tayo. Normal lang pong ano yan, nararamdaman. Connect to your connect to your struktura pa rin. Okay? Ano yung struktura? Spiritually, your faith. Important sa ito na yung message mo. Yung paniniwala mo at pananampalataya. Yeah? Doon tayo minsan humuhugot ng lakas ng loob. Tama po ba? So, keep that faith alive. Isa pang message na nakikita ko. Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan pa natin para maging maganda yung panimulang taon ni Capricorn, ng hardworking people. Ituloy natin yung storyboard niya. Oops. Okay. Tingnan natin. What Capricorn needs to know. What Capricorn needs to know. January 1 to 15. So, shout out po. Ingat po ng mga fellow OFW. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, OFW din po ako full-time. Okay, yeah? Okay. 8 of 1. This is balita, mabilis. Okay? Meron kang patutunguhan na gustong puntahan, ma-achieve. This is all about achieving something. Yung news is darating na mabilis. Yes? Expect it after Christmas or New Year. Yeah? Advance reading po tayo. I can see the parang Christmas tree. Yung yung inspirasyon mo, wag mamamatay, maski na anong mangyari, that's how it is. Maski anong weather, maski na binabaha tayo at niloloko tayo ng minsan ng gobyerno na nakakapagod, wag mong intindihin yun. Okay? Wag kang madala na yung emosyon mo. Yes, if you're dealing with Pisces, baka makabigay siya sa'yo ng inspirasyon, but keep that faith alive. Yun yung fire, okay? Keep that faith alive. Ano man yung spiritual belief setting nitong Capricorn na sa harapan ko. Yung hinihintay mo, darating na. Ano ba yung hinihintay mo? Okay? Ano ba hinihintay mo? Manifest big. Manifest big. Huwag nang pichi-pichi. I-claim mo na yan. Kung gusto mong bumili na ng something big, go for it. There's no need for you to fear. That's how it is. Okay, January 1 to 15, Capricorn. Tignan natin anong storyboard ni Capricorn na nasa harap ko. Tignan natin, ituloy. Mabilis yung balita. Okay? Oops, ang bilis nito. See? Kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. This is your blind spot. Sun, the most powerful, the best card sa tarot deck. Yeah, abundance, namumulaklak yung bulaklak, maski na walang tubig o walang araw. Yeah, you're gonna complete that cycle. I can sense that. Yung Capricorn na nasa harapan ko, you did something in the past. Okay? May tinanim ka, hindi lang ito intention. You did something. You did work hard for it para ma-achieve mo yung level ng situation mo. Again, iba-iba po tayo ng situation sa buhay. It can be, a small amount of money. Some of you, maganda yung career. Some of you, malit lang yung negosyo. But what it means here is, you're gonna still get that abundance. Kung nagtitinda ka sa palengke, go for it. Be proud and be happy kung ano yung ginagawa mo, and you're gonna flourish also. Kung ikaw ay nagsusushine, naglilinis ng sapatos, yun po, iba-iba tayo ng kinakatayuan sa buhay. O fellow OFW, yung hinihintay mo pa darating. Meron kang hinihintay. Okay? Wait until end of the Christmas. Okay? So, I'll give a timeline, January 1 to 15. Yes? Kung maka-resonate po, and if it's gonna happen, yeah, magpakape ka. Magpakape ka, Capricorn. Okay, ituloy natin. Ngayon, walang clarity. Meron kang duda. Merong duda dito, okay? Kaya that's why sinasabi ko, faith. Keep that faith alive. Keep that faith alive. Ituloy natin. Tignan natin. Ano pa yung... Okay. What Capricorn needs to know. Bigyan natin ng magandang reading si Capricorn for January 1 to 15. New Year, new beginning. Sabi ko nga. Sabi rin nung ano nung that's the message of the full moon. Tignan natin what Capricorn needs to know. What Capricorn needs to know. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Oops. Okay. This is yung spread na yung nasa harapong spread ngayon. It's a good thing for ano to start the year. So no need to worry. Okay, blind spot, blind spot. What Capricorn needs to know? Blind spot, cut, blind spot. Give me one card, one card, one card. One card lang. Okay. Nagugulan si Capricorn because of that moon. Moon did hit the moon. Okay. Judgment, sabi ko, always the reckoning. This is karmic. Starting fresh, okay? So, it's resurrection also. Judgment, like sa Bible, judgment, di ba? Ang sabi lang, very simple na, so, another life renewed and you start fresh. Yung mga, when was it na naging gospel? Aalisin yung mga sanga ng puno na hindi namumunga, you know those kind of things, at itatapon sa apoy. No, do you consider yourself at kahoy na o sanga ng puno na hindi namumunga? Yeah, so that's karma. So kung ano nga po yung itinanim natin, that's what life is all about. Kung ano yung itinanim natin, yun din ang aanihin natin. If you persevere, itong Capricorn na nasa harapan ko, alam mong mag-araro, that's your hardworking person. Yung intention mo, it gonna come fast. Nangarap ka na makapunta sa abroad or makapag-migrate or magkaroon ng promotion or ma-assign sa iba to earn more money because you're building your structure. That's how you that's what you want. Yes? And everybody likes to be in that sun stage ng buhay natin na lahat masagana at hindi tayo namomroblema sa paggising sa umaga. You know, we just do our daily grind. And your reward is coming. That's judgment. And it's everything is on your favor. Ito yung sinasabi ko na yung big shift na what will happen in 2026. There will be, I forgot ko ano yung tawag doon nabasa ko din. Maraming mga astrologers are also talking about this. So it's not something na matatakot tayo, pero that's what life is all about, cleansing. Parang it's more of a cleansing. So lahat ng sign will be affected on that one. Yes? So itong strukturo ng buhay ni Capricorn na sa harapan ko, if you're doing what you do best, kung ano lang ginagawa mong tama, at hindi ka nagdi-DPWH, and then you're gonna have that judgment in your favor. Iba-iba po tayo ng kwento ng buhay at pinanggagalingan. Okay? Yung pinanghihinaan ka, normal lang po yan. Unless, miyembro ka noong mga nangulimbat sa pera ng gobyerno, and then you're gonna have a different karma. That's how it is. That's karma. That's what life and the universe is all about. Yeah. So this will be in your favor. In istruktura ng buhay na hinahanap mo, financial wealth, financial health, ano pa ang gusto mo that you have manifested, Capricorn? Yeah? You work hard for it. So itong Capricorn na nasa harapan ko, and I think very simple-minded person lang. To, I'm not saying na hindi maganda yun po. No? Because sometimes simplicity in the way we think, in the way we act, sometimes it's even way better than, to making it complicated na you defined yung buhay mo based on benchmark dun sa other people na nakikita mo sa social media or sa TV and everything. Nag-ano lang itong si Capricorn na ito, minsan nangarap at nagtrabaho lang. So, yung wish mo o yung balitang hinahanap mo, anything, nag-apply ka, you waiting for something, a promotion, a news about a fair treatment, something like that. it will come. Yes, those are the news. Hindi lang po ito yung news na text message or something. It can be kung you feel na halimbawa sa trabaho, work setting na bastos itong mga office mate mo or something, this kind of thing, you're gonna have that karmic reward. Lahat po tayo tatamaan nito. Yes? Dun sa big shift na darating. So, magkakaroon sila ng change of heart. Those are the type of news na makikita mo. Hindi lang po text message, kundi you can feel it. Yung behavioral pattern na tinatawag na yung kapitbahay mo palaging nagkakaraoke ng madaling araw na walang pakialam sa natutulog. Those are simple na parang kabastusan minsan na you're gonna have that karmic reward na magsi-shift na magkakaroon ng halimbawang bagong law na bawal na ang magkaraoke. Those kind of things na it will become a news to you. Okay. Makakatulog na ako na mahimbing. And that would lead you also to the sun, which is the abundance and fulfillment. Yes? So that's how you define yung abundance natin. Iba-iba po kasi tayo ng pinanggagalingan at istruktura. So, Capricorn na nasa harapan ko, he or she didn't compare yung sitwasyon niya with other people. Yeah? So, nag-ano lang to, nagtatrabaho by himself na tahimik, herself, na ano lang. May problema, yes. No problem on that. Emosyon, na tao lang po tayo, nadadala. Huwag ka magpadala. Huwag ka magpadala sa emosyon na iyon. That's how you're gonna win the game. And that's how you're gonna claim and have that expansion. Minsan yung emotion, it holds us. Pumipigil. Yeah? Dun sabihin ko na lang nasa swerte na ika nga. Okay? Kasi, dumating yung merong nagtatanong sa akin kung gusto ko tanggapin yung trabaho sa Middle East. Those kind of thing. Natatakot ako. Ano kinakatakot mo? Maaring wala ka pang pangbayad? Wala ka pang, what? Okay? You're gonna get that answer also. Yung mga ganun tipo po ito. Okay? When you have that sun clarity, yung isip mo, clear. Yes? Clear. At you're gonna go in full circle. Okay? In full circle, lahat ng uri ng challenges or question mo about something, it will be given to you. That's what clarity means po. Okay? And that's judgment in your favor. So, ito ka Capricorn, okay? You're facing the sun. Sabi ka ng Capricorn, may liwanag na. Yes? Before, nasa buwan ka, no clarity, kinakabahan ka, may emotional setback. Yes? Nagbibilang ka ng sheep or ng wolf because hindi ka makapag-decide. Yes? Ano ba yun? Puti ba yun o itim? Itim ba yun o puti? Yes? And then you're gonna have the sun, bam. So, you're gonna have that judgment in your favor. Ang hinahanap mo kung ano man ang definition mo ng expansion, nagtitinda ka sa palengke, you have a different definition of expansion. Gusto mo maraming benta. Yes? Kung nagtatrabaho ka, ang expansion mo is lumaki yung sweldo. That's your expansion. Yes? You're gonna have that. You're gonna have that. News is coming fast. Hintayin mo matapos yung Pasko. Yeah? Okay. So, basahin nyo po, ano nyo po, check nyo po yung moon reading, full moon reading ko, at saka yung new moon reading. Baka merong connection ito. Meron kayong ma-pick up na subliminal message dun sa dalawang video na to, dito sa Capricorn na nasa harapan ko. But, commonality, you're gonna have that expansion at mabilis. Yung intention mo na itinanim during those full moon and new moon, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Trust me. January 1 to 15, 2026. Yeah? Timing po. Timing lang kasi minsan. So, check natin. One reading pa. One card for ating hardworking Capricorn friend. So, shout out po sa mga fellow OFW kung naka-resonate. Shout out. Kung hindi po sa susunod, so ingat po tayo. Okay, another message. Sabi dito, a new beginning or even a new life may be blooming. Yeah? Ito yung tipong, again, life-changing. Gusto mo nang makaiwas sa bagyo, sa baha, okay? Gusto mo mag-migrate. If you're on that stage, you're gonna get that visa automatically now, soon, very fast. anything related that. Gusto mo ng bahay na bago, makalipat, mag-loan, or hinihintay mo yung loan, ma-approve na yung mortgage na inaano mo. Ganyan kabilis po yan. Ngayon, kung sa trabaho, yung promotion, yung mga ganun tipo, money matter, struktura. Okay? It's abundance. That's what we need. Health, kung meron kang sakit na iniingatan or something, you're gonna get that cure. Yes? Because of that judgment card. How many major arcana do you have here? One, this is Cancer, okay? Cancer placement, okay? One, you have the judgment here, you have the sun, and then the moon, another Pisces, yeah? So for major arcana, anything major arcana is a big shift. It's life-changing. Kung natatakot ka, don't. Yes, you're gonna have that answer. You're gonna have that answer. So, watch that video, new moon at saka full moon, advanced reading po ako. Advanced reading po ako para maka-prepare tayo sa eventuality. So, check nyo po, baka may subliminal message. And, magpapakape ka, Capricorn. Okay? Ang ganda ng reading mo. Okay. I think it's also your birthday season. Palapit na. Okay? Harvest season yan. Harvest season is always one complete cycle ng life cycle natin, ng buhay. Iikot po ang buhay. That's how it is. So, just need to claim it. Lalo kapag if you are on that peak, okay? On that peak, yung intention mo na, malaki na. Wag nang pichi-pichi. That's how minsan yung tao, pag nag-open yung blessing, yung portal, you don't claim it. Okay? You don't claim it. Ano lang po tayo, naapektuhan tayo, iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon. Pero when these things happen, you claim. And that's how you gonna get that abundance na hinahanap mo, yung definition ng abundance mo. Trust me, lalo sa birthday season mo. Yeah, that's the harvest season, Capricorn. Okay, January 1 to 15, magpapakapit tong Capricorn na ito. So, yeah, salamat po. Hope you enjoy. See you again.